Aight, man.
Yeah, what go on, my friends? Yeah, again, you don't know, it's been a while. Yeah, I try get the thing sorted out, do the mechanical report. All this time when I dey boat, been working and getting it on the road, you know what I mean? Whole heap of little things to start. I start now. The man make this missing. Don't know if I bring it home, they have to do this. So right now, as I say, just trying to get all the little small things them up and running for go do the mechanical report. Walk down there.
I don't know.
Yeah, man. Little fab soap. Little fab soap. And some warm water.
Yeah, see this part of it now, this is strictly my pleasure, you know. Cause you know from when the car stop drive, the last thing that me do on the car before it stop drive, I clean my engine bay, you know. This is something me love do personally. You know it kinda finicky, you know. You see a lot of wires and stuff, you know. So I'm not really trust for go power wash it. Only if me power washing it myself. And you don't, you know where it go. I mean practically I mean make it, you know. I'm making it, you know what I mean? So even some wire clean up for go on. So for the time being, just a simple clean up. And this was just the starting, you know what I'm saying? I just start that's one day. I got another day. I'm gonna try and vacuum it and stuff like that. Vacuum the inside, armor and stuff, you know? Just get it clean up again for the road. So yeah, fast forward this cause it's a bit boring, a lot of work, you know? But I give you the process anyway. If you want to clean your engine bay, it don't cost much, you know. All you need is some degreaser. We call them shamai, yeah. You want a shamai, like few shamai, 3 or 4 shamai, depending how dirty in.
Alright. See while the degreaser go and soak in and go and install the tail light, brand new tail light then, eh? It's quick and easy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I messed up. Just running out one go. Yeah, don't know. Birds, you know, tail light come with everything you need for it, you know. Except them here, which you're supposed to have, unlike me, but I buy them there. Right. Oh, this plug again. Oh, where this plug again? Took a little finessing.
What the man you make a virus get him?
Yeah, I know I'm eager to get some work done. Right there on the box. Some upon it show you the side, you know. Right, see it there? Right side. I wanna go quick and fast. I love panic and you see me indicator light on. You see it? Everything around us so good, you know. Hold on. You have it already?
Yeah.
Push, I can't switch back.
See, spit that girl. What am I? You want to catch it?
What now?
Back at it again, you know? Yeah, man, G go fix the machine, you know?
Try to get the light them start out.
Black mechanical
report, is it?
Oh, the light them have fixed today?
Black
Okay. We have to do the mechanical report?
Yeah, forget the insurance stuff and running.
Oh, okay. Never know.
Most of them still say headlight.
Okay. Remember me not to know about car, I just like the vision we have and the work, you know?
Jalil, give me $60.
Yeah. I don't really know about car, so you have to tell me where you are done, you know?
I don't know if I fuse
Yeah.
or the bulb them, but earlier I get me earlier they are work, so.
Oh, you did get light out that earlier?
Yeah, so one of them.
Okay. You don't know people, as the boss always telling me, you know, through the money power and about the ride, you know, it's still the official thing and forward, you know. Yeah, man, and soon to the finished product, man. Because right now the boss have a pop in the lineup. If you reach this far in the video, please like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? And the next one I go wickeder, I go better, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, do what you love and remember, from nothing to something, yeah? Never get to fix the headlights, although I'm not sure what's wrong with that. I will update everyone on that. But yeah, I start out every other light, indicator and the park light, because it was like the car went to the body shop, received a lot of damages. The car went to the spray shop, received a lot of damages. So I have to correct all of that right now, you know what I mean? To get here, and I'm sticking with it.
When body man them deal with it, you know, this missing. But me have back not so near my face, cause
Move it.
you know, and me in the me have video in the car.
I'll move it. That's right.
Sorry for my hand.